Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xreal Beam Pro and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application. In it we must activate our develop mode. To do that, scroll down and choose About Phone selection, and there look for our build number. We must tap sometimes to activate our develop mode and enter look screen to connect. When we have development mode on, go back and choose system, where we have new additional option, developer option. In it, memory, and there we have all information about our available random access memory, that now we have 3.5 gigabytes from our total 7.8 gigabytes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.